students, KCET 2024 second round seat allotment procedure has already started. So there are some important deadlines that you must remember. So let us check these dates and deadlines. Okay. So first, for that you have to go to the KEA official website, then go to the admission sections, then go to UGCET 2024. Then here you can see UGCET, UG NEET 2024 second round seat allotment schedule. Okay. So click on this link. Okay. Once you click on this link, you can go to the dates and timing sections. So here all the timings and dates have been given. So here they are saying that consequential vacancies which arise in the second round seat allotment, okay, process will be also offered in the second round itself. Candidates are advised to retain the seats even if it is not shown in the seat matrix, as candidates will have a chance of getting a better seat if they have entered the options. Okay, so you need to enter all the options where you are interested in. Now coming to dates and schedule. So first of all, display of seat matrix. Okay, so seat matrix means now whatever students have selected in the first round, okay, based on choice 3, choice 4, somebody might not have selected any of their choices, so their seat got cancelled, okay, forfeited, so newly added. So all the seat matrix will be shown in the website, in the KE official website on 8 September 2024 after 11 am. Okay, it was shown there. Next, coming to the payment of caution deposit of rupees 1 lakh or medical seat. Okay, rupees 50,000 for SC and ST candidates. So this will have to be done from 9 September 2024 to 11 September 2024. During the bank hours, you have to do this payment. Next, arrangement or rearrangement of option entry, that is modify, delete or reorder the options from 2 p.m. of 8 September to 11 September up to 2 p.m. Okay, so you can make changes in your option entry from 8 September 2 p.m. to 11 September 2 p.m. Okay, whatever changes, like you can modify, delete or reorder the options. Next, coming to publication of the second allotment results. So provisional results and the second mock real results will be announced. For that, the date has not been published, it will be told later. Okay, so now so these are the important instructions, important dates that you must remember. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful and you would have checked all the deadlines. Please remember these dates and mark them so that you do not miss out them. Okay, so yes, now if you have liked this video, please subscribe the channel for more updates.